So today we're heading to Tin hiking on Quoc Island in Vietnam. We decided to go there without a guide, which saved a lot of money. The whole way is around 1 kilometer and takes around 1 hour, and we made couple stops to take some rest. It was really tiring and we met couple scary looking insects, but the view was absolutely stunning. On the way back, we took another less popular and less safe way through the forest. Our next destination was a waterfall that located in the park, and we paid 30k to enter this place. Waterfall is quite a big word for this place during the dry season, but it was really nice and refreshing final point of the hiking.